Hi guys, we are Group A
to teach you some topics of physical science. But before that, we need to introduce ourselves first. I'm Jayvee Zamudio from C12E.
I'm Annalyn Surigao from C12E.
And I'm Erikson Dionisio from C12E.
And after that, we finish introducing ourselves. Guys, let's proceed to our first topic. So, hi guys, we are back. We are the Group A. We want to discuss to you guys. So this naming binary ionic compound. So how do we name a binary, ionic compound? So all you need to do is to find the cation plus the anion and plus the
Suffix of IDE.
IDE. So what is a cation? Cation is a non-metal or metal?
Metal.
A metal.
Okay.
Yes.
Cation is a metal and anion is
non-metal.
It's a non-metal. Plus the suffix IDE. So give me an example of cation.
Magnesium.
Okay, magnesium. Let's give it a go for that. Magnesium. Is metal right?
Yes.
Good. So give me I think an ion, of course. I will give it a try. I will give a nitrogen. Am I right? A nitrogen is a non-metal.
Yes.
Yes. It's a non-metal element.
Plus the suffix
IDE.
ID.
IDE. So how do we combine this one? What do you think? Sorry, how do we combine this one?
We will get the root word of the anion, then add the suffix to the anion.
Yeah. Cation, like magnesium, you will write magnesium as is, like,
Yes.
like this. So magnesium. As is. You know? This is magnesium. This is the nitrogen. What's the root word of nitrogen? The root word is night. Okay, let's add night. But R. So, as what I said earlier, add suffix IDE. So I will add the IDE, and you will create a word like magnesium nitride. So magnesium is K, right?
Yes.
And nitrogen.
No, it's MG.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. What is K? Oh, potassium is K. MG. MgN is magnesium nitride. So that's so easy, man, guys.
So how do we get the formula for this? We should get the oxidation number of the first element, then the what we call this, the oxidation number of the two elements that we sampled, just like this. So magnesium has the oxidation number of 2. We should positive 2. So we should do like this.
Plus.
Then nitrogen has the oxidation number of
-3.
3 and 3 negative. We should do like this
That's
formula. That's the formula of magnesium nitride.
But how do you think? What is the real answer for this one?
We should crisscross,
Crisscross, man.
Yeah.
You should crisscross like
Crisscross
yeah, like
and
Mg to the nitrogen, like magnesium to nitrogen and nitrogen to magnesium. So the answer is like
MG.
Mg3 and nitrogen 2. So that's it. So, but before that, how do we get the oxidation number? So this is the oxidation number, man. Can you please zoom in? Where's the nitrogen? So let's give it a shot. Am I right? Nitrogen? What's -3?
it's -3.
This is the -3 above of it. Okay. This is the -3. This is the oxidation point of nitrogen. And in magnesium, where's magnesium, man? Magnesium. There's the magnesium. All right. +2. That's the oxidation point. of the magnesium. So that's so easy, man. We are back, man. So we are here to teach you a new lesson about physical
Physical
science.
science.
So Dionisio, what's the lesson, man?
The lesson that we
I need to teach them.
teach about nuclear equation.
Nuclear equation. But we can next. Let's move on. So how do we do a nuclear equation? So first, find that element. So give me a problem, man.
Problem is Mg24 using with stable form of helium emitting neutron particle. What element is formed?
So how do we get that? Man? How do we do the equation, the nuclear equation? So first, as what she mentioned, Mg24. Am I right? Mg24. Where's the Mg? Okay. Magnesium is always right. So magnesium, Mg24. So let's get magnesium 24.
Then and it's the end where
So you will ask us, how do we get this 12? Janisha, how do we get this 12?
We get this 12 because the 12 is an atomic number of magnesium.
The 12 is the atomic number of magnesium.
yeah.
And as she mentioned, she gave me 24, like what she said. Magnesium 24. So this is the 24. And give me another element. Magnesium, what do you think? What's the right one? for
Using with the
magnesium?
stable form of helium.
Helium. What is helium? He, right?
Yes, it's He.
E. So how do we get, like, you will see here, Mg24. Where did he get the 24? That's the question. So let's find He, guys. He. The other one is the He. So please come. Don't be afraid of us. This is the He. To get this one, you need to get this one, the atomic weight. You see this is the atomic weight of helium, and 2 is the atomic number of helium. So you can see, guys, nakita nyo.
I see it.
Yeah, I see it, man. Okay. So let's write it. Helium. The atomic weight is always on the top. Okay, guys. I mean force. Sorry, my bad. And the atomic number is on what? What's up?
Atomic number is
Below.
superscript. It's in the above.
Superscript. The
Yes.
the atomic weight is superscript. It's always on the top, and the atomic number is the subscript. Subscript. What is the subscript of He?
2.
2. So what? So let's go back to your problem. So emitting what?
Neutron.
Neutron particle. I'm sorry, it's my fault, man. So have plus here. So let's go back here, guys. You see, these are the particles of nuclear equation. Alpha particle is 4A2. Beta particle is if there's 2. What do you call this?
2 equations.
Yeah. The positron and the electron. Positron is 0B, positive 1, and the electron is 0B, negative 1. So gamma particle is 0y0, proton particle is 1p1, and neutron particle is 1 and 0. So Surigao, what do you say for emitting what? Emitting
Neutrons.
neutron particle. So what is neutron particle? This is the neutron particle. 1 and 0. And the last, this is your answer. So what element will be like,
So we should balance the elements.
we need to balance these two. Okay? We need to balance these two to get the answer.
Answer.
So to get the answer. Okay? So like this. 24 plus 4 is what?
28.
28. Minus 1.
27.
7. Okay, let's put
27. As a superscript.
That's the superscript. Superscript is 27. So how do we get the subscript? 12 plus 2,
14.
14. Minus 0 is
15.
also 14. So the subscript is 14. How do we get the element? Our subscript is 14. What's our subscript? Subscript is the atomic number. So let's find 14. 14 is silicon. This is
Si.
I. That's yours.